If you want to create animation videos, but don't know how to use complicated software, Canva just made it ridiculously easy. I am about to show you how to use Canva free AI tools to create professional animated videos in minutes. No animation experience is needed. And the best part, you can use these videos for YouTube, social media, or even sell them as a service. Let's get into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity, and I talk about real ways to make money online and build passive income using what you already have, so you can create more freedom in your life. So here why this matters. Canva used to just be a graphic design tool, but in 2025, they added some serious AI-powered animation features that make creating animation videos incredibly easy. Here's what you can do now. You can do text to video AI generation. Basically, you would type what you want and AI will create the video for you. You can do magic animate, which automatically animates your entire design in just one click. You can do custom motion path, which make elements move exactly how you want. You can use built-in transitions and effects, which is professional looking animation without any technical skills. And it's all inside of Canva, the same platform you might already use for thumbnails or social media graphics. The free plan gives you access to basic animation, and the pro plan unlocks the advanced AI features. But here's what makes this powerful. You can create animation videos for YouTube intros and outros, Instagram Reels and TikTok content, explainer videos for businesses, educational content for courses, and product demo videos. And people are paying around $50 to $500 for these types of videos. All right, let me show you the easiest way to create an animation video. Canva now has a text to video AI feature powered by Google VEO 3. Here's how it works. Step 1, you will open Canva and start a new video project. So you will go to canva.com and click create a design. Choose video, then pick your aspect ratio, depending on what video you are creating, for YouTube long or for shorts. Step 2 is find the AI video generator. In the left sidebar, look for apps or Magic Studio. Click on create a video clip or AI video generator. Step 3 is type your prompt. Describe what you want to see. For example, a cozy coffee shop with people working on laptops, warm lighting, soft background music. Or another example is a person opening a gift box with excitement, bright lighting, happy mood. Just remember, the more specific you are, the better the results. Step 4 is generate and download. Click generate. Canva will create the video for you, and after Canva finishes creating the video for you and adding the audio, you can download it as an MP4 and use it anywhere. Now let me show you another way to animate. This one is perfect if you already have a design or want to animate text and graphics. Magic Animate is Canva AI tool that automatically adds animation and transition to your entire design. Here's how it works. Step 1 is create or open a design. First, start with a template, or you can create your own design with text, image, and graphics. For example, let's say you're making a motivational video. You would then create a design with motivational quote and add a background image. The next step will be click animate. You should see animate in the toolbar, then select Magic Animate. Step 3 is let AI do the work for you. Canva AI will analyze your design and automatically add animation that match your content, colors, and style. It adds page transition, element animation, and timing and pacing. Step 4 is we are going to preview it and adjust to our liking. So you would click play to see how it looks. If you want to change anything, you can manually adjust the animation style or speed. Step 5 is we're going to export as video. So you would click share, download, and then click MP4. Then set the page duration and download. Now you are done. You just created an animated video in less than 5 minutes. Now, if you want more control over how things move, Canva has a feature called Create and Animate. This lets you make elements move exactly how you want, such as zigzag, circle, bounce, or whatever. Here's how. The first step is select the element you want to animate. You can click on any text, graphics, or images in your design. Step 2 is click Animate. This opens up the motion path editor. Step 3 is draw a path. Drag the element across the screen to create a path. For example, make a bee fly from flower to flower. Make a text slide in from the side. Make a logo bounce into frame. Step 4, you are going to adjust speed and style. Use the speed slider to make it faster or slower. You can choose your movement style. Step 5 is now we are ready to preview and export. Click play to see your animation, then download it as a MP4. This is perfect for creating custom animated explainer videos or product demos. All right, so how do you actually make money with Canva animation? Here are 3 ways. Method 1 is freelance animation services. You can offer animation video creation on Fiverr or Upwork. Businesses need animated social media ads, explainer videos, product demos videos, and YouTube intros. Method 2 is you can create content for your own channel. Use Canva animations for your YouTube channel, Instagram, or TikTok. Method 3 is sell animated templates. You will create animated Canva templates and sell them on Etsy or Creative Market. All right, so that's how you create animated videos in Canva using AI for free with 0 animation experience. Start experimenting with these tools and see what you can create. But if you want to see another powerful AI video tool that's completely free and unlimited, you need to watch this video next. That video shows you how to use Grok AI to create faceless videos for trending niches in 2026. Click that video next and I'll meet you there.